Welcome to Naresh IT Generative AI and Agentic AI Internship Program. As you know, the IT industry is rapidly shifting towards AI-driven development. Companies are no longer looking only for traditional programmers. Organizations are looking for professionals who can build intelligent AI systems, automate workflows, create AI agents, and develop real-world generative AI applications. This internship is specifically designed for students who want industry-ready AI skills and working professionals who want career transitions or salary growth. Also, developers who want hands-on experience in modern AI technologies. Why this internship? Today, technologies like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, AI agents, autonomous systems, and AI automation. AI automations are transforming every industry, but most of people only know how to use AI tools, but very few know how to build AI applications. Fine-tune LLMs, create AI agents, develop RAG systems, automate workflows using Agentic AI. This internship focuses exactly on those practical industries skills. Internship highlights live interactive sessions, real-time project development, industry-oriented curriculum, internship certificates, resume building session, GitHub project guidance, interview preparations, placement assistance, and hands-on coding session. If you are a student, this internship helps you to build strong projects, strengthen your resume, gain internship experience, prepare for AI-related jobs, stand out during placements. If you're working professional, this internship program helps you transition into AI domain, upgrade your technical profile, move towards high-paying AI roles, learn practical GenAI implementations, and stay relevant in the AI-driven industry. After completing this internship, participants can apply for roles such as generative AI engineer, AI application developer, prompt engineer specialist, LLM engineer, AI automation engineer, agentic AI developer, NLP engineer, AI solution architect. During this internship, students will gain hands-on experience with tools and technologies like Python, OpenAI, Hugging Face, LangChain, Stable Diffusion, LangGraph, Crew AI, Streamlit, Vector Database, Fast API, and many more. This is not just a theoretical course. It is absolutely practical, project-oriented internship designed to make you industry ready in Gen AI and Agentic AI. Whether you are a student aiming for placements or working professionals for a career growth, this program the right roadmap to enter the future skill generative AI and agentic AI. My name is Prakash Senapati, Gen AI and agentic AI expert. So DM internship to get the registration link. Thank you.